Yes. What was the question? The question was GST was introduced in India with effect from the options purposely I have not given. The options were 1st January 2017, 1st April 2017, 1st January 2018, and D was 1st July 2017, which right answer I got it from Samida. The second one is GST was introduced in Jammu and Kashmir with effect from.
Sir, it is the same date.
No, Vita. There is a difference of date, and it is.
Thus, in Jammu and Kashmir came into the territory, no, of
Yeah,
India. So it is applicable to the whole of India.
Yeah, but it took 7 days extra to mitigate and implement over there. So the options were 1st August 2017, 1st July 2017, 1st January 2018, and the right answer is 8th July 2017. The right answer is 8th July 2017. Okay. Next question is the incidence of tax on tax is called. The incidence of tax on tax is called. The options are tax cascading, tax pyramiding, tax evasion, indirect tax. Right answer will be. बोलो. Chat box में question is there. The right answer will be tax.
So option A, right?
Yes, the right answer is option A, tax cascading effect. Tax on tax. Next, in GST, value addition refers to. Under GST, value addition refers to, okay, expense plus profit, cost plus tax, cost plus tax plus profit, tax plus profit. Sometimes I really feel objective question is far best option to test the knowledge of students. And that's why you must have found all competitive exams in India based on or abroad is based on objective question, including CFA. Yes or no? And unnecessary there is bad remark on system ki objective ki wajah se there are lot many O grades, all are passing. Boss, आज भी BAF का result देखो. Last year we found only one O grade. Rest all is A plus. Yesterday also result came. rest all A plus. It is very tough for the student to get O grade for 100 out of 100. See, there is no problem with system. Otherwise, this all competitive exam might be IS, GRE, TOEFL, everything is in objective version. CFA, all are in objective. Yes or no? CIMA. Then student would have cracked like anything. See, you have not followed the PPT which has been given to you all. Yes, the right answer is value addition. Yaad hai? I've given you the example. Manufacturer sold to wholesaler, wholesaler sold to retailer, and there was a tax. Are you able to recollect? है ना? So it includes everything. Cost plus tax plus profit. And I got the answer also. I don't know who has given me this answer. 820. Acha, 8209. Okay, now let me go to next question. Am I doing right thing or not? है ना? Only teaching is not going to serve our purpose. And nobody can blame also. Ki, sir, you have taken extra lecture and you taught something which was there in the syllabus. Let me test also how effective your preparation is. I hope this answer I may get from you all. I hope so, but I don't know. And next time, please don't get me the personal answer, get it for all. Now, I will not read the question because in exam you have to read the question and you have to answer. Yes or no? So now I will not even going to read the question. You read it, you get me the answer. Don't get me personal answer, put it for all. Aditi, make it for everyone. फिर मेरे लिए difficult हो जाता है next time. And if you can unmute, you can speak, that will be much better. It was very simple.
So the goods sold from Union Territory.
Yes. Next. Again, I do expect that you may be in a position to get me the answer. What is the question and what will be the answer? सही है ना? Integrated goods and services is applicable when? When it will be applicable? Hello, tell me when it will be applicable.
When there is interstate supply.
Interstate.
Very good. Very good. Now next question. Finding it bit interesting today? This is much required. इतना टाइम नहीं लगना चाहिए.
within a state.
Yes. So it might be CGST, it might be SGST. दो में से कुछ भी आ सकता है. Yes or no? I don't know whether you'll be able to answer this or not. But this is very, very common sense question. Yes, the right answer is within state, the previous one. Now this next question.
Single point tax.
Multi-point tax.
Apply your logic and then answer. Every question will not be so simple. There will be complex questions also. Yes or no? तब इजी पूछेंगे तो फिर वैल्यू नहीं रह जाएगा.
Regressive tax.
सर सारे ऑप्शन तो हो गए, अभी आप सिलेक्ट कर लो. Whatever you feel. Apply your logic. I told you before putting this question. The goods and service tax is a tax system where multi-point tax, then only you will get the benefit of ITC, input tax credit. You pay, you avail. You pay, you avail. Again, I'm telling you, you have forgotten what I have taught you through that PPT, initially PPT. Okay. Should I continue with this? Everyone is yes. Let me see. Again, डांडा तोड़ने वाला है. Aradhya, don't send me personal. Put it for everyone. Chalo, tell me. Goods and service taxes. Whether it is supply based, consumption based, both supply and consumption based, none of these. I have repeated several times during the lecture. GST is, just see the previous videos, you'll get to know. अच्छा कुछ शानदार सिपाही लोग गलत आंसर दे रहे. GST is always consumption based. If you will consume, you will pay, they will collect, and they will pay to the government. Okay, इसलिए that is why it is known as destination based tax also. Destination means where you have supplied the goods, where it has been received and they have consumed. Okay, the right answer is consumption based. ये तो सिंपल है, provided your geography should be proper. जीएसटी का इसमें नॉलेज जरूरत नहीं है, ज्योग्राफी का नॉलेज बहुत जरूरी है. Tell me what is your option? Yes, all of you are right, because these two are two different states. Kerala and Tamil Nadu is two different states. That's why IGST. Very good. I mean, the moral of today's session is what? Don't be under impression that आपको GST में सब आता है. Okay? You have to study really hard to get good marks. बोलो, बीच बीच में एक दो गुगली तो डालना ही पड़ेगा ना, अदरवाइज यू विल टेक इट ग्रांटेड. आई नो एवरीथिंग. यस ना? Yes, it is a matter of both central as well as state government. Okay, many a times state collects shared with center, center collects shared with state. This is all jurisdiction, and that is why GSTN is very important, and that is why so many sections has been given to empowered GSTN network. Okay. You want few more questions? हाँ सर, थोड़ा बताओ. अभी लग रहा है कि जीएसटी के बारे में बहुत कम नॉलेज है. हमको तो लग रहा था सारे सेक्शंस हो गए, चलो वी आर किंग खान. चलो एक क्वेश्चन सिंपल पूछते हैं. Then we will go for little complicated question. बहुत सिंपल है. So if it is interstate, IGST. Very right answer. तो मुझे पता था ये थोड़ा इसके ऊपर ध्यान दीजिए आप. I know we feel very happy when the student is putting wrong answer. We feel very happy. तो स्टूडेंट की औकात उनको पता चलते कि भाई हमें सर से कम पता है. Which state revenue it will be affected? See, I think when you are reading the question, you need to be very careful. Don't be have generic answer. I told recently also, it is consumption based, it is destination based. Still you are एक गुगली में गुलाटी खा जाते हो, विकेट है लीड विकेट करके आ जाते हो. इसलिए हम लोग को अच्छा लगता है. इनको न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ा दिया गया है कि जीएसटी से सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट को बहुत रेवेन्यू मिला, बहुत रेवेन्यू मिला, तो ये न्यूज़पेपर के पीछे भाग गए. इट इज अफेक्टिंग द रेवेन्यू ऑफ सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. नो रे बाबा, that is not the question. Question is very logical. I think this answer also I may get. ये आ जाएगा. हैं? ये वाला कौन है भाई? यस. तो मुझे पता है कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर तुमको आता है रे. तो मुझे ये भी पता है कौन से क्वेश्चन का आंसर तुमको नहीं आता है रे. है ना? That is the joy of teaching. 5 बार लिखने से आंसर चेंज नहीं होने वाला है. द राइट आंसर इज 28%, हाईएस्ट. That day also I have shown you through Google. You know, the generic rate is what are the 4 जो दिखता है और 5वां भी एक है. What are the generic rate? 5%, 12%. वैष्णवी बोलोगी तो ज्यादा समझ में आएगा सबको.
Sir, 5, 5, 12, 18, 28.
Yes, और 0% भी होता है.
Sir, but it is on alcohol, right? 0% वाला.
नो अल्कोहल पे तो जीएसटी है ही नहीं. उस पे अभी भी ओल्ड टैक्स है. 10 वैट लगता है, जीएसटी नहीं लगता अल्कोहल पे.
सर तो उस पे 0% हुआ ना?
ना 0% इज कंज्यूमेबल गुड्स लाइक लाइफ गुड्स. आपका जो वेजिटेबल हो गया, दिस एंड दैट, उस पे 0% है. वो कैटेगरी बहुत अलग है. Yes, these are the common rates: 5, 12, 28 and 18. नो एक्सपोर्ट पे एक्सपोर्ट ड्यूटी लगता है. जीएसटी अभी मैं कस्टम एक्ट पढ़ाऊंगा 6th सेमेस्टर में, पता चलेगा कितना टैक्स लगता है. कस्टम प्लस जीएसटी लगता है इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट पे. तो वो सब तुम अभी जीएसटी के ज्यूरिडिक्शन पे लाओ ही मत. ये भी आंसर मुझे लगता है आ जाएगा आप लोगों को. मेरे हिसाब से आना चाहिए। है ना? Yes, the right answer is 1.5 crores. We'll go to the answer, old answer. It is still showing 1 crore, but that's wrong answer. The right answer is 1.5 crores. Last year only it got changed. Okay. This also, I believe you can get me the answer. I believe, I don't know. Yes, the answer is e-commerce operator. Okay. Last question for the day. This question is for two things. That there is yes exempted goods also, there is zero rated goods also. Very logical. You have few seconds. Get me fatafat answer. Anyone? Goods which get input tax without being liable to collect output tax. No. A is wrong answer. D is right answer. Zero rated. Okay. I hope you must have enjoyed today's session, even though it was an extra lecture. I do the justice to the lecture by revising your syllabus and making you fit for your CE1 exam. Next lecture, whenever we will meet, we'll continue with our section 11 exemption. Till then, be at home, be safe, take care of yourself, take care of your family.